Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda Civic FD headlights. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a measuring tape, and some masking tape. It's important to ensure your car is on a flat, level surface and has consistent tire pressure for accurate results. This preparation is crucial for proper alignment and safe driving. Now, let's prepare your Civic for adjustment. Park your car approximately 25 feet from a flat wall or garage door, ensuring it's perfectly straight. Turn on your low beam headlights so you can clearly see the light pattern projected. Use masking tape to mark the horizontal and vertical center lines of each headlight on the wall. This creates a reference point for your adjustments. Next, we'll adjust the beams. Open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. There's typically one for vertical adjustment and one for horizontal. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to make small turns. Turning clockwise or counterclockwise will raise or lower the beam. Similarly, adjust horizontally to move the beam left or right. Make small, incremental changes. After making your adjustments, it's time for a final check. The low beam cutoff line should ideally be about 2 inches below your marked horizontal center line. The high beam should be slightly higher than the low beam. Take your Civic for a test drive at night to ensure the headlights provide optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. If you're unsure, consult a professional mechanic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.